Hi, I'm Dave Walton. Did you know that your furnace is working hard, even on a hot summer day? The furnace's motor circulates the cool air produced by your central air conditioning system in the summer. To ensure that your system is working efficiently, make sure you change or clean your furnace's filter every 3 months. You should also have a licensed HVAC professional perform maintenance on your furnace and air conditioner each year. An HVAC professional is trained to detect potential problems in your heating and cooling systems that can lead to trouble now or in the future. And that's another Smart Energy Minute.